I don't care who you are, getting to $10,000 in 30 days from zero, a standing start, is pretty challenging, okay? But I've done it before and I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm gonna do it. You're definitely gonna have to push, but it's not just about getting to 10K in 30 days. It's how do you do it, in 60 days, in 90 days, in 6 months, in 12 months, for the rest of your life. And then you can grow it from there, all right? So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did, and you're really gonna hustle if you wanna do this because 30 days is short, all right? But this is exactly what I would do. Now, most people that are watching this will probably have a full-time job. 9 to 5 is very, very normal, all right? Now, you have to understand that the only way that you can do something like this, get to, significantly more than your normal day job, maybe it's 3 or 4 times what you're currently earning per month right now, you're not going to be able to do it in a 9 to 5 job. You're going to have to do it on the side, and it's probably going to be some sort of business, okay? Now, if you think about it, what is the quickest way to leverage anything? Well, it's the internet, is to go online, right? But what a lot of people don't realize is that the internet, even though it is faster than traditional stuff, it still takes time to build anything great, all right? And when it comes to income, you do really have to take the time to do it, right? Yes, you can grow quick with automation and AI and leverage and videos and tools and sales funnels and all that great stuff. And we're going to talk about some of those things today, but it still takes a little bit of time, right? And 30 days really isn't that long. Now, having said that, here's exactly what I would do, right? I would come back from my full-time job every single day, and I would set aside as much time as I could put into my little side hustle, my little online thing, right? Now, especially if you want to get to 10K in 30 days, you have to maximize that as much as possible. So I would not go out with my friends for a little while. I would basically not watch Netflix for a little while, and I would literally just focus on this thing, right? So I would come back home from the office, and I would set aside the max amount of time, maybe 2-3 hours a night if I could, right? Because we don't have that much time. And I would basically learn everything about content marketing and learning how to sell digital products. That's essentially how I did it, okay? So I would go and get a course, I would find a mentor, and I would learn one of these strategies, either TikTok marketing, Instagram marketing, YouTube marketing, all right? But honestly, out of the 3, YouTube is pretty slow. The 2 quickest ones, even though they still take a little bit of time, is TikTok and Instagram. So I would literally double up TikTok and Instagram, right? And I would learn to create content every single day, all right? So the foundational part is to learn marketing, learn from someone, take those 2 to 3 hours every single day, learn from the program, take action. Learn from the program, take action. Learn from the program, take action, okay? So I know that sounds basic, but that's essentially what you have to do. Now, how do we do this? How do we combine all the pieces together? So the first thing that you have to understand is that whenever you create content, and the nice thing that I like about creating content is that it's free, okay? So yes, you could go and, run some paid ads from Meta ads or Instagram ads and stuff like that, but that costs money, right? And maybe that's money that you don't necessarily have. So how do we do this on a shoestring budget? I mean, you still need to spend a little bit of money to make big money, right? But maybe you don't necessarily want to spend tens of thousands of dollars, all right? Well, posting content on social media is a great way to do that. Now, it takes a little bit of time. That's why 30 days isn't that long. But if you're aggressive and you upload 2 to 3 videos a day, because again, 30 days isn't that long, then it is possible to do it in a short period of time, like 30 days, okay? Now, what's going to happen is initially you're going to suck, okay? The first 1 week, the first 2 weeks is not going to be great, right? But if you have a good program that's going to teach you how to go viral properly on TikTok and Instagram, and you're literally crushing 2 to 3 videos every single day, it is possible to start going viral, start generating thousands of views, and then start generating leads through your funnel to then sell your digital products, okay? So the first step is really to learn to market, to create content, and to set aside that time and have that discipline and consistency to take action on your business, right? Because understanding that it is going to take a little bit of time. The first 1 week is, not much is going to happen. You're learning a lot there, and then it gets better in the 2nd week, 3rd week, 4th week, okay? Now, once you start getting views, what we need to do is we need to send people somewhere so that you can start to generate leads, send people through a process, and then sell something. That's the only way we can make money, right? So the best thing to do is to pick a niche, right? You can pick any niche. Health, wealth, relationships is a great niche. I like the wealth niche, teaching people how to build businesses, teaching people how to become wealthier, change their life, right? And in this space, for example, you can choose anything really. You can sell all sorts of different digital products, other people's digital products. So I would then go to one of the big networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Digistore24. I mean, there's so many. There's literally like 20 or 30 out there. You can find a great product, and then you can build a very simple sales funnel around the product, okay? Now, the simple sales funnel is designed to give people value. We don't just want to beat people over the head by selling. We want to offer them value. So we're going to build a simple sales process using a funnel builder like ClickFunnels, like Lead Pages, like Kartra. There's so many out there, right? It doesn't really matter which one you choose. We just need a series of pages, which is a simple sales funnel, and we need a capture page, a landing page at the front to get somebody's email address so that we can send them through and then follow up with them, okay? So I would build this process out. By the way, if you want to learn how to do this, I show you step-by-step how to do this in my free training program that's in the description below, okay? But you have to learn step-by-step exactly how to do that. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that in this video because this video is more about the overall strategy so that you understand, right? 30,000 foot view, that's very, very important. The step-by-step and stuff like that, you can always learn, right? But the strategy is what's very important. And the problem is most people don't teach even the strategy correct, okay? So now what do we have? Now we have content where we're talking about that particular niche every single day. We're learning how to do it from a proper course, a proper mentor who specializes in Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, right? Or Facebook, whichever one that you like, but TikTok and Instagram are quicker. And then you start doing the action. So you get good at it. You become a practitioner of it. You make lots of mistakes fast, right? Because 30 days is really short, guys, okay? 30 days is short. And then you keep doing it, you get better, you start to get views, hundreds, go to thousands of views. Then you build out your sales funnel, you pick your product, people see your content, you go viral. They come through your capture page, they leave an email address inside, then your system follows up with them. They go through the process, they build a relationship with you, and at the end of that process, some of those people that went through will buy, all right? Now, the quicker you can get leads through your capture page, through your simple selling system, your sales funnel, the more money that you're gonna make, all right? So hopefully by week 3, if you're getting leads through the system, right, and you're getting enough leads, some people will start to buy. By week 4, even more people will buy, and that's literally how I would get to $10,000 in 30 days. Okay, now here's the thing that I want you to understand about this particular strategy, right? I've used this exact formula that I just mentioned to you to generate over $2.5 million. Now, it took a little bit longer than 30 days because I didn't know this formula at the time. But, in a 30-day period now, I can do 20, 30, 40, over $1,000, mentioning exactly what I just told you inside of this video. Now, it takes a little bit of time. For some people, it may take a bit longer, 60 days, maybe even 90 days, maybe even 120 days, right? But it works, okay? And you have to understand something about this type of formula is that it's kind of like a rocket ship taking off, right? Most of the energy, 80-90% of the energy comes from the liftoff, okay? And so the liftoff is the most difficult thing to achieve. It requires the most energy, it requires the most effort, but once the liftoff happens, it's only 10 or 20% energy to send it through the atmosphere into space. I hope that makes sense, okay? And so making a lot of money is exactly the same thing. The start of anything is going to require the most energy. And honestly, it takes the most amount of time, especially if you don't put in the work, you don't put in the consistency. But if you do, and you lift off and you start making money, then you know how to do it, and it's pretty easy after that. It doesn't require that much energy because you keep doing the same thing, okay? So if you've ever wanted to generate income online, this is exactly how I made millions. It's how I changed my life. It's how I retired my mom. It's how I make 5 times more than my old corporate job. And then I quit that and I did this full time, okay? Now, there's a lot of other things that you can do out there, right? But I've tried a lot of them. And a lot of things are very expensive. They're very hard. They're very complex. There's a lot of moving parts. Most of them, you have to hire staff. This strategy that I just taught you right here, selling digital products with a simple sales funnel, using free social media posts, content, right? It's very affordable. You can do it as a solopreneur. It's extremely profitable. And when you go viral and you understand how, you can really scale this thing to the moon, okay? So don't take this video lightly. This is really powerful. It took me a long time to learn this, over $50,000 in 8 years of failure. This formula works. Take action on it. And if you want a step-by-step on exactly how to build everything out, and you want to do exactly what I just mentioned in this video, I've got a free masterclass that shows you step-by-step exactly how this really works, all right? You can get access to that in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this today. Good luck to you, and I will see you on the next one.